Hello, dear students. Hope you are fine. Our lesson today is ordering of operations and exponents. Repeated multiplication. Exponent. Exponent is a mathematical form for the repeated multiplication focused on repeated factor, which is called base, and number of times the base is used as a factor is called exponent, power, or index. Here I have, in the repeated multiplication, 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Here, 5 is the base, and the 5 is repeated 6 times, so 6 is the exponent, power, or index, and this is the exponential form. The repeated factor here is 5, and 5 is repeated 6 times, and it's read as 5 to the power of 6. Examples: 8 times 8 times 8 times 8. Here the base is 8, and 8 is repeated 4 times, so it's read as 8 to the power of 4. Here, y times y times y times y times y. Y is the base, and y is repeated 5 times, so it's y to the power of 5. Remarks. Product of repeated multiplication can be written in 3 forms. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, it's called the expanded form. 2 is repeated 4 times, so it's equal 2 to the power of 4, and this is called exponential form. 2 power 4 equals 16, and this is called the standard form or simplest form. Any number to the first power means power 1, is the number itself. For example, 5 to the power 1 is equal 5, 7 to the power 1 is equal 7, 9 to the power 1 equal 9, so it's equal to the number itself. The number 1 to the power of any number is number 1. For example, 1 power 3 is equal to 1 times 1 times 1, which is equal 1. 1 power 5 is equal 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, which is equal 1. Very important notes. The second power of a number is called the square of this number. Second power means power 2. For example, 7 to the power 2 is read as the square of 7, or 7 to the power 2. The third power of a number is called the cube of this number. For example, 6 power 3 is read as the cube of 6. Complete the following table. Here I have exponential form, base, exponent, expanded form, and simplest form. Here the base is 7 and the exponent is 2. So I will write it in the exponential form as 7 to the power 2. And here the 7 is repeated 2 times. So in the expanded form, it will be 7 times 7. And 7 times 7 is equal to 49. So the simplest form equals 49. Here I have 3 times 3 times 3. It means that it's written in the exponential form as the base 3 and power, it's repeated 3 times, so it's to the power 3. So it's 3 to the power 3. Here the base is 3 and the exponent is 3. The simplest form, here 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. Describe what the expression 2 to the power 3 represents by answering each of the following. What is the base? The base here is 2. What is the exponent? The exponent here is 3. What is the simplified value? The simplest form is 2 repeated 3 times, so it will be 2 times 2 times 2. It's equal to 8. Complete. A. 7 times 7 times 7. Here 7 repeated 3 times, so it's 7 to the power 3. B. 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. Here 6 is repeated 4 times, so it will be 6 to the power 4. C. K times K times K times K times K. K is repeated 5 times, so it's K to the power 5. D. 9 to the power 4. Here the base is 9 and the power is 4. E. 5 squared. Here the base is 5 and squared means to the second power or to the power 2. F. 3 cubed. Here the base is 3 and cubed means to the third power or to the power 3. 8 is equal to 8 power 1, as any number to the power 1 is equal to the number itself. H. 1 power 9 is equal to 1, as 1 to the power of any number is equal to 1. Ordering of operations and exponents. To avoid getting more than one answer for the same numerical expression, mathematicians use rules of ordering operations and exponents. For example, I have here 3 times 5 minus, I have parentheses, 4 minus 2 to the power of 2 divided 4. So first I have to do the operation inside the parentheses. So I will solve 4 minus 2 first. So it will be 3 times 5 minus 2 to the power 2, as 4 minus 2 equal 2. So 2 to the power 2 divided 4. Second, I have to solve the exponents. So here I have 2 power 2, this is the exponents. So it will be 2 power 2 equals 4. So it will be 3 times 5 minus 4 divided 4. Third, I have to multiply and divide from left to right. So first I will multiply. 3 times 5, it's equal to 15. And then I will divide. 4 divided 4, it's equal 1. So it will be 15 minus 1. Fourth, I have to add and subtract from left to right. Here I will subtract 15 minus 1. The final answer will be 14. Use the order of mathematical operations to simplify each of the following expressions. In letter A, we have 12 plus 9 minus 2 times 3 power 2. First, we have to do the operations inside parentheses. So I will start with 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is equal 7. So 12 plus 7 times 3 power 2. Second, the exponents. Here I have 3 power 2. So it will be 12 plus 7 and 3 power 2 is equal to 3 times 3 equals 9. So it will be 12 plus 7 times 9. Third, I have to multiply and divide from left to right. So here I will multiply 7 times 9 is equal to 63. So it will be 12 plus 63. Fourth, I have to add and subtract from left to right. Here I will add. So 12 plus 63 is equal to 75. In letter B, I will start with the parentheses, 12 minus 9. So 30 minus 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. So it will be 3 power 3 minus 25 times 5. Then I will solve what inside the parentheses. Again, here it will be 3 power 3 is equal to 27. So 30 will be minus 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 27. So 27 minus 25 times 5. Again, I will solve what inside the parentheses. It will be 27 minus 25 equals 2. So 30 minus 2 times 5. And then I have to start with multiply. So 30 minus 2 times 5. It will be equal 10. Then I have to subtract. It will be 30 minus 10 is equal to 12.